Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to create a team in Canva. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Canva app. So here it is. Now we need to click on this three-line icon in the top left corner. So let's tap on this. Now click on your profile over here. So let's tap on this. Now click on account settings. And here you can see teams written over here. So let's tap on this and click on create a new team. Now you can name your team here and click on create new team. So now your team is finally created. So this is all you need to do to create a team in Canva. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.